Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a strawberry cake right from the box, Pillsbury. Let's get started, guys. Okay, so I have one ingredient that's missing. I don't know, we may do some cupcakes. So I have some cupcake liners. And then I have, the sanding sugar in this red color, all right? And this is the strawberry cake mix, so this is like perfect. We have, if we're going by the ingredients on the box, we do 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, which is right here, and I have to get the oil, a half a cup of oil. So I have that right here. And so this is what we're gonna need to make some Valentine's Day cupcakes. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. And there is a theme, sweets for my sweet. So, and this is why we're making Valentine's Day cupcakes, guys. So it's really, in my house is anyone. It could be my kids, it could be my mom, it could be me. So I'm really anxious to try this. I haven't had this in a while, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with it. So let me tell you who's hosting Quick and Easy Meals. We have Simply Grace Lifestyle on my main channel, which is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jean Home Decor and more. I have Jennifer at Home. We have Debbie Bubbles, and occasionally jumping in is my Mountain Home and Kitchen. So if I'm forgetting anyone, I'll link them below. So let's take this out of the box. I have the oven preheating because this says preheat the oven at 350 degrees. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. We'll start off by putting the cake mix inside of this bowl. I can't remember the last time I had strawberry cake, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this right in the box. We'll leave the box over here. Okay, now I'm going to get the oil. I think that's the only ingredient missing is the oil, so I'll go ahead and get that and be right back. Okay, so we have the cake mix here, and I forgot to show you, we're going to be using the cream cheese on topping on the frosting on the cupcakes. So that's the only other ingredient that I forgot. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 cup of water. We have a half a cup of the oil, and I'm using vegetable oil because that's what I have. Some people use canola, and then we have 3 eggs. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this all mixed up, and then we'll be back. All right, guys, so I have the mix I have the cake mix all mixed up. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, and I also put the paper liners inside my muffin pan. So I usually use a measuring scoop to put it inside of the, so let's see how this is gonna work here. I don't wanna make a mess. Yep, I made a mess. Let me go ahead and clean this up and try to find a smaller scoop. All right. Okay, so I had to pick up the liner. Yes, we make mistakes here. I thought I'd go ahead and just leave it in the video because I don't do anything perfect in the kitchen. So I did scoop out some from this one and put it there, and then I just threw the rest of it out. I'm gonna use a measuring spoon because these are not gonna be some huge cupcakes. So I started this one, and this is how that's gonna work. So I think I want it up to there. like that. So I'm gonna do the rest of these. I just want to show you where in this liner I stopped scooping. I think that's good enough because you know that's gonna rise a little bit. I might put a little bit more. I'm not sure how much that's gonna rise. What do you think, guys? Let's go ahead and try it. Who cares if it goes over? All right, let me go do these and I'll see you in a minute. All right, so this is what it looks like. I filled all the liners. This one here didn't get as much, but that's okay. That'd probably be mine because I shouldn't be having regular. So in case you couldn't figure, you didn't see, this is not low carb. This is a regular cupcake with cream cheese frosting, and we have the red sugar that's gonna go. I can't wait to put this together. This is gonna go in the oven, and since we're following instructions, let's see. Cupcakes go in for 19 minutes. Yeah, I can't believe they go in that long. Okay, so 19 minutes. I'm gonna go in and check them at 15, and then I'll check them at 19. I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, so I just took these out. Isn't that perfect, guys? I'm so glad I filled the liner to the top because they did puff up a little bit, but I don't think they puffed up as much as I thought. And we're gonna let these cool because they need to be cool for us to use the frosting and finish the end part, okay? So, I don't know, let's give it like maybe 20 minutes, half hour. Okay, so I think that these are cool enough. We're gonna do a couple. Don't they look so delicious, guys? So we're gonna do a couple with the cream cheese frosting, and then I'll do the rest of them, and then we'll come back for the reveal. So this came out exactly how I imagined. I think I might want to cool them so when my son comes home he can have some. Let's see. Kind of do a little swirl here, and I want to show you how I use the sanding sugar. You just kind of sprinkle it like you do sprinkles. Doesn't that look cute? So here's one. Let me move it back there. That looks so good. Here's my little one. I'm gonna have a little one. Okay. So let's do another one. I hope you guys are all doing well. Okay, here's the second one. Okay, so that looks so delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of these, and we'll be right back because then we're gonna head on over to the reveal. Okay, so this is what they look like, guys. Don't they look delicious? I absolutely love them. So sweets for my sweet, and that can mean your family, your kids, your husband, and so on and so forth, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Let's head on over to the review.